So one of the things about being a sole founder is that you can design every element. And when I started out in this business, I wanted to take the very best lessons that I had seen in my own 20-year-plus career in the corporate world, and the very bad lessons that I didn't want to repeat. For that reason, I chose very early on to secure B-Corp status. I made the decision to have a British manufacturer and an all-British supply chain. I made the decision to work with the top experts in the medical fields. And I think those decisions will stand us apart from what's in the market and what will come to market in due course around brain protection. We are offering every player the opportunity to protect their brain and to contribute to a future where current and future players no longer have to face the potential of a neurodegenerative disease. It is that mission and that vision that I get out of bed for in the morning.